Hello guys, once again I am in front of you to solve the problem of statistics based on measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. And this problem is different from other. This problem we make corrections on the given value of mean and standard deviation. During the time of the calculations of mean and standard deviation, one observation is wrongly noted, wrongly copied. And if one observation wrongly noted, then mean value and standard value is also wrong, that is wrong. And then 2 includes right value of the observation. What will be the correct value of mean and correct value of standard deviation? So how we make correction over that? If this types of problem is given, then what is the way of solving the problem? Okay, today we learn about this one. Okay, we start. Your problem I have already written. A student obtained the mean and standard deviations of 100 observations as 40 and 50 respectively. 40 and 51 respectively. It was later found that one observation is wrongly copied as 40 instead of 50. Okay? Find the correct mean and standard deviation. So these types of problem we can solve in this way. Okay. So you write at first here what information we have given. You write. Given you write. Given n number of observation 100 we have given, and incorrected mean 40 we have given. Incorrected standard deviation we have given 51. And then at first you calculate incorrected summation x you need to calculate. Okay? Incorrected summation x. At first you calculate and make correction over that. Okay? So incorrected summation x is equal to n into incorrected mean. Incorrected mean. So n is 100. Incorrected mean is 400. So 40,000. 40,000 is incorrected summation x. Now we make correction over this. Okay? We make correction over this. How we make correction over this? We subtract incorrected value and add corrected value. So from this we can 40,000 you write minus incorrected value. Okay, 40 is incorrected value you subtract and corrected value 50 you add. Okay, now what is the value of this? Okay, 40,000 minus 40 plus 50, 40,010. Okay, this one is 40,010. 40,010. Okay, 40,010 we get. this one. Now, what is corrected value of mean? Here, corrected value of mean. Corrected mean is equal to corrected summation x upon n. Now, corrected is this one. Corrected summation x is 40, 10 divided by this one is 100. Okay, just you see. Corrected summation x. Corrected summation x, we get this one. And we divide by n. And then you get corrected mean. Corrected mean is 40.01 is the corrected mean. So in this way, we make correction over mean. Now, how we correct standard deviation? Another questions, standard deviations also we need to correct. Now, this one, u up to this is same. Corrected mean you need to calculate. Okay? And then standard deviation. So what is the formula of standard deviation? You have. Okay, you are familiar about that one. And in the case of standard deviation, this I rub and corrected mean is 40.01. That is the corrected mean. Now, we know that incorrected standard deviation is equal to under root incorrected summation x square upon n minus incorrected x bar whole square. Just you write this one. So you know the formula of standard deviation, okay? Sigma is equal to under root summation x square upon n minus summation x upon n whole square. See, this summation x upon n whole square is mean. We can write mean. This is the formula of mean. Summation x square upon n minus mean whole square. So this one. Now, you put the incorrected value of this one. Here, this value is not given. Okay? We make correction over this. This value is not given. N is given, incorrected x bar is given. And incorrected standard deviation is also given. So what is the value? Now you substitute the value. Incorrected summation sigma standard deviation is 50. 50 you write. 51. 51 is equal to under root incorrected summation x square upon 100 minus incorrected mean. Incorrected mean is 40. 40 whole square. Now squaring both sides. You make square on both sides. After squaring both sides, this one, 51 square is equal to this square root, omit incorrected summation x square upon 100 minus this one, 40 whole square. This one. Now you simplify. After simplification, what you get? Okay. Now this one you transfer in this side. Okay. I am going to do this one over here. Okay. Now here 51 whole square. After that this 40 whole square we transfer and that becomes positive 40 square. And here in corrected summation x square upon 100. Okay. Now you should find out the value of this 51 whole square. 51 whole square, you have value 2601 plus this is 1600, and after that in corrected summation x square by 100. Now you add these two. Okay, 1600 plus 2601, that is our 4201 is equal to incorrected summation x square upon 100. Now cross multiplication. After cross multiplication you will get incorrected summation x square is equal to 420100. This becomes the final value. Now you should make correction over this. What will be the corrected summation x square? Corrected summation x square. Now corrected summation x square you write this is equal to 420100 minus what we subtract, this wrong item we subtract, 40 square. 40 square we subtract plus 50 square we add. Because to obtain summation x square, how we obtain summation x square? We square individual value. So here also wrong item we subtract by squaring that one, and right item also we square and we sum, we add. Okay. Now what will be the value you calculate? Here for 1600 you subtract. Okay, 4 to, okay, just we calculate this one. Summation x square is equal to 420100 minus 16 square minus 2500 plus 2500. Now you add 420100 plus 2500 and then minus 1600. So its value corrected, this is corrected, you write, okay? CORR corrected, that is 42 1, this one is the corrected value, corrected summation x square. Now corrected, we calculate standard deviation. Okay. Now I am going to write here. Finally you write FINALLY. Finally corrected standard deviation is equal to under root corrected summation x square upon n minus corrected x bar whole square. Now put the value. Corrected summation x square, that is 42100. N is 100 minus this one is 40.01. 40.01 upon 100. No, not 100. 40.01 whole square. Now what will be the value? This 20 cancel out and you have 4210 minus this one, you obtain the value. This one 40.01 into 40.01. 1600 1600.80. Okay, now we subtract 4210 minus 1600.80. That is 2609.2. Now you take square root of this, square root. So 2609 square root of 26092 161.53. Okay, this is the corrected value of standard deviation. This value is corrected value. Okay, now corrected standard deviation is this one and corrected mean is that one. Now you write. Now at last you interpret the value. Therefore corrected mean is equal to 40.01. Corrected standard deviation is equal to 161.53. Finished. So in this way we can make correction over mean and standard deviation value. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.